Today, we're looking at a solution that changes the game for outdoor enthusiasts. This tool is the world's first all-weather glove with a detachable magnetic lighting system. It's designed to keep you safe, dry, and visible, no matter the conditions. When you're heading into the outdoors, your gear has to perform. This product is built with a moisture-proof lining. It's completely waterproof yet breathable. That means your hands stay warm and dry without getting sweaty. We've all been there trying to send a text or check a map in the cold. Usually you have to take your gloves off and freeze your fingers, not here. These have touchscreen sensitive material on the index finger and thumb. You stay connected without losing any heat. The standout feature is the integrated lighting. These aren't just glowing strips. These are powerful detachable torches. They snap onto a surface-mounted bracket using high-strength magnets. It's a quick snap system that stays secure while you move. The light output is impressive. We're talking 400 lumens. That is bright enough to cut through pitch-black nights. The beam reaches up to 50 meters ahead. Whether you're navigating a rocky trail or a dark suburban street, you'll see everything. The system offers 3 different light modes. You can use a high beam for cycling, a mid beam for jogging, or a low beam for tasks like walking the dog. Plus, it features side beams. These are crucial for safety. They make you visible from the side, which is a lifesaver when you're signaling a turn on a bike or scooter. A lot of performance gear looks bulky or overly technical. The creators of this gadget wanted something different. They focused on a premium, modern aesthetic. These look just as good at a business lunch in the city as they do on a 3-day hike. The torches themselves are designed to be as small as possible. They have sloped sides that blend into the glove. This creates a clean silhouette. It doesn't look like you have a bulky flashlight strapped to your hand. It looks like a seamless part of your outfit. Along with the lights, the fabric includes reflective detailing. Even if the lights are off, you are still being seen. This is more than just a pair of gloves. It is a safety system for your hands. It combines weather protection, tech-friendly features, and high-intensity lighting into one sleek package. It's about moving with confidence day or night. If you want to upgrade your outdoor gear, check the link in the description for more details. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and share it with your favorite adventure buddy. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech and gear. See you in the next one.